Hi guys, it's me again, Yadi from Ya DIY Fishing. How you guys been doing? I hope everything is fine. Okay, today we're gonna talk about UL fishing, which is ultralight fishing, and the rod that I'm using is Rylex Nusantara, which is Kantra 502, which is 5 feet. Let's take a look. To be honest, I've been using this rod a lot, and although it's light and it's only 5 feet, but the strength is unbelievable, and the best part is it's also cheap. So yeah, you can see this. Okay. Yeah, it's a 2-section rod, and I pair with Daiwa reels. The description will be down below, so just check it out. So yeah, okay. The reason I make this video is because someone did ask me if I ever use UL over at Pit Pond, and the answer is yes. But is it recommendable? It depends. It depends on individual. Okay, if you want to play ultralight setup over at Pit Pond, specifically Alim, I suggest you try not to go on the peak periods. If not, this will happen. Sorry. No. Yeah, go sir. Wah. Wait. Wah, this one don't want to go. Okay, for UL setup, I prefer you guys to play at a bigger pond, such as the best main pond, as you can see in this video. Alright guys, I'll do one more caught with my jig head. Awesome. Strike guys. Ah. Apa?
Line.
Okay. Campak je. Dia dah main kat sini lah. Isa. Alright guys, if you guys still insist on playing UL setup over at Alim, I suggest you to get a slightly bigger poundage of line and leaders, and try to tighten a bit on your drag. If not, this is gonna happen as well. Oh, putus Lu ketawa. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get on to all the videos that I've been using my UL setup at Alim Point. So check this out. Right guys. Okay guys. Right guys. Right guys. Lupa. I think cover. Cover. Wah. Oh, sweet. Oh. Alright guys. Go there, you go there. Yeah. Ong ah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Strike, guys. Oh, angkui. Angkui. All right. Okay, guys. All right.
President Joe Biden says that authorities are still uncertain on who was responsible have been appointed as Russian cybercrime gangs. And the attack comes just weeks after President Biden told his Russian counterpart
Whoa.